Alright, I've been creating again. This knob had a big, I don't know what you call it, but it was like another part that screwed onto it. So what I did with that was, I don't know if you can see there. See the threads down on the inside? I put the knob on the inside with a screw, held it in place, drilled 2 holes, and as soon as I saw little bits of black plastic coming up, I knew I'd hit the knob. So I countersunk 2 screws and put them in there. So what I'm creating is a place to set my anchor when I'm not using it. So you're going to watch me put it together. Let's see. Can you see everything right there? There you go. Alright, so what I do is I take a hole saw. Looks like you're looking at the wrong thing. See, I take a hole saw and I make these pretty good sized washers for just about everything. So what I did was I made a big washer to go underneath this. And you'll see it has these little, like when I'm cutting it, the outside edge stayed there, so I'm going to use that as a, I guess, kind of a water seal. So this goes through here, this goes through here. This washer, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got a curve to it. So that's going to go up here so that when I tighten down on this, it'll have a little tension. Alright, now this needs to go on. I'm using all stainless steel hardware. You know what? Here, let me put this first. Actually, I put this on here upside down. Or did I? No, that's right. Well, I guess it could go either way. I'll put it this way. See, I made a hole so that the head of the knob will be countersunk, and I don't have to worry about it rubbing on the kayak. Alright, so here we go. This goes in here. Oh, I just did the same thing again. This goes on here. And actually one of these other holes, if I turn this, one of these holes lines up with this next hole. So if it becomes too wobbly, I can actually put another bolt on there. I mean, the bolt is sticking up through the inside, but I don't care. I'm putting my anchor in here. It's not like it's going to hurt the anchor. So there you have it. Wing nut holding the inside. Now I'll put this on the top. This on the bottom. Screw it in place. Now the whole purpose of putting the anchor on an arm is I can bring it up here, set the anchor in it, and then swing it back out of the way. Tighten it down, I don't have to worry about it. This is my anchor, my claw anchor. Of course, this thing makes a noise, so I think what I'm probably going to do is put like a little rubber washer on the inside, maybe. Something to dull the sound. So I set my anchor in there. I think what I'm going to do also is I'm going to put a piece of these are actually gear tracks that I made, but I'm going to put a piece of cutting board, a piece of plastic on here, stick it up just a little bit so that I have a place to hang the rope when it's not in use. This was the original one I made. This thing's really heavy. I made this part so that I have a place to hang the rope and the anchor can go on the inside. I don't know, maybe I'll change it. But, I mean, for that matter, watch this. Rope can hang right on the anchor. When I'm ready to use it, pull it back over, take the rope off, throw the anchor, back in business. Move it back out of the way, tighten it down. Anchor storage. Pretty cool if I think I say so myself, and I think I say so myself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.